Episode 290, 3 AI Skills to Master in 2026.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful.
AI is a golden opportunity.
How do we ensure that this technology is regulated?
The long arc of technological history is now in an extraordinary new phase.
The AI6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Gartner predicts that 40% of enterprise applications will include task-specific AI agents by the end of 2026, up from less than 5% today. And if you think the pace of change in the last 24 months was fast, 2026 will feel like a total shift in the professional landscape. We are moving away from the era of the curious experimenter of AI into the era of the agentic architect. The question is no longer, can you use AI, but can you govern, orchestrate, and refine it to a professional standard? Hello and welcome back to AI6, the podcast that takes away AI overwhelm and empowers you with knowledge in just 6 minutes a day. So today I want to share 3 core AI skills that you should look to master to remain relevant and competitive in 2026. Or let's face it, if you want to get ahead. But first, let's hear from Coursera CEO Greg Hart.
1 in 4 tech jobs now require knowledge of AI skills. Before ChatGPT came out, that was fewer than 1 in 10. So we're seeing a big increase there. And then looking forward, World Economic Forum forecasts that between now and 2030, so over the next 5 years, 59 out of every 100 jobs in the global workforce will require retraining. That is phenomenal.
Skill number 1, agentic orchestration. Become the conductor. By 2026, we will have moved far beyond the single prompt interaction. Gartner predicts that by 2027, 1/3 of agentic AI implementations will combine agents with different skills to manage complex tasks. This means you will not just be using a tool like ChatGPT or Claude to write a draft. You will be managing a swarm of digital agents. Your role shifts from being the writer to being the orchestrator. You must learn how to build and manage multi-agent workflows using platforms like Microsoft Copilot Studio, Crew AI, or OpenAI's Swarm framework. The skill here is defining specific roles and tools and handoff points between different AI agents. For example, one agent might scan the EU AI Act for compliance updates. A second agent cross-references those updates with your internal data privacy policy. And a third agent generates a risk report for your board. Your value lies in your ability to design that system and verify its output. You are the conductor of an AI orchestra. Skill 2, algorithmic accountability. Governance is a non-negotiable. By August 2026, the EU AI Act will be fully operational, with the most stringent requirements for high-risk systems coming into force. Penalties for non-compliance can reach up to €35 million or 7% of global revenue. So it is a legal imperative. So if we're working on AI systems, we must be skilled at AI auditing. You need to know how to document the provenance of your data models, how they're using them, and how to perform bias audits on the outputs you generate. When a client or a regulator asks why an AI-driven decision was made, saying the machine told me will not be an acceptable answer. You must be able to explain the logic, identify the safeguards you put in place, and prove that you have maintained human-in-the-loop oversight. And that's what I teach. Know it, use it, govern it. Skill 3, contextual data synthesis. Your expertise is the differentiator. In 2026, the generic answer is not going to be acceptable. We are moving toward a world of small language models and retrieval augmented generation, called RAG. Your skill will lie in how you feed your specific proprietary professional knowledge into these systems. You need to master the art of curating high-quality data sets, This means moving away from massive, noisy data piles and towards clean, structured, and highly relevant internal libraries. Whether you're using a tool like Notebook LM for research synthesis or building a custom GPT within a secure enterprise environment, your ability to provide the right context is what prevents hallucinations. Think of AI like a brilliant but overconfident student. Without the right textbook, they will guess the answer. Your skill is in providing the authoritative textbook. You must become an expert at structuring information so that the AI can retrieve and apply it accurately. This requires a deep understanding of your own domain expertise and something that no algorithm can replace. Our value in 2026, my friends, will be measured by our ability to manage complexity, not just our ability to generate content. The human spark that we have is our judgment, our critical thinking, our lived experience, our ethical compass, and our domain expertise, whatever industry we work in. AI provides the speed and the scale, but we provide the direction and the accountability. So we're moving away from AI tools and we are creating AI teammates that we are overseeing and managing. So, your action for this week: undertake a mini audit of your current AI usage. Ask yourself, am I just using this to save time, or am I building a repeatable process that I can explain and defend? Choose one complex task you perform weekly and map out how you would break it down for 3 different digital agents. Start thinking on workflows, not just prompts. And if you complete this task, you are then testing those 3 core skills that I'm suggesting you need to master in 2026. If you've enjoyed this episode of AI6, please share it with a pro that you know. And if you want to learn more about AI in an accessible way, have a look at my book, AI Playbook. And of course, if you want me to come in and train your teams, just get in touch. I'm Joanne Sweeney. This is AI6. I'll be back with you tomorrow.